This is the story of a queen. We have heard the story of a Greek king who turned every object he touched into gold. Our queen is different. She never changed anything to gold, but her magic touch altered the course of history. This queen is none other than mathematics. Today we are studying about Pythagoras. Pythagoras, who lived in Greece in the 5th century BC, had a group of disciples who followed him around and taught other people what he had taught them. He was a great mathematical thinker who is best known for the Pythagorean theorem. This theorem states that in a right-angled triangle, the sum of the squares of the two right-angled sides will always be the same as the square of the hypotenuse. The term right angle refers to an angle of 90 degrees, and the hypotenuse is the long side of the triangle. Pythagoras was also credited with devising the tetractys, the triangular figure of four rows which add up to the perfect number 10. Pythagoras was deeply interested in music too, for he believed that music brought order to the random sounds, while mathematics brought order to the mysterious of the universe. His ideas are very great much. What is the role of Hypatia in the history of mathematics? Hypatia, who was born in AD 351, was the first woman recognized as a mathematician and scientist since the beginning of history. She became the head of the Platonistic school at Alexandria in AD 400. Hypatia attracted many students since she was regarded as the authority figure. She is the first woman known to write on the subjects of mathematics, which included conic sections. The early Egyptian mathematician Diophantus had his algebraic equations refined by Hypatia. She also wrote several papers on philosophy and astronomy. Only fragments of these writings are remain. Hypatia has been given credit for the astrolabe, which was used to measure star positions that were relative to the Earth. In AD 415, Hypatia was tortured to the death by religious zealots. Now we can study about Blaise Pascal. He was a French mathematician, physicist, and religious philosopher who laid the foundation for the modern theory of probabilities. He was born on June 19, 1623 in France. In 1642, he invented the Pascalian, an early calculator. Blaise's essay on conic sections marked an important leap in projective geometry, which involved transforming a 3D object onto a 2D field. Pascal laid the foundation of the probability theory.